Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How do you do, learner? Okay, I hope this video meets you in well conditions. Okay, now we discuss about noun phrase. What is noun phrase? Before we dive about noun phrase, we better get to know about phrase first. Okay, what is phrase? Phrase in traditional meaning is understood to contain two or more words which are not coming from subject or object. But however, there are some views of modern grammar theory such as expert theory and the theory of internal consistency determine that a single word is also called a phrase. Since it appears in a syntactic position. But most of the scientists, most of the experts of language reject this approaching. In brief, the understanding of phrase must be contain two or more words, so that called phrase. And now, what is noun phrase? Okay, let's check it out. Noun phrase is the combinations of two or more words which stand as a noun. Okay, noun phrase is just combining two or more words which stands as noun. Okay, and noun phrase can be patterned as below, as what I explained to you. The pattern number one is noun plus noun. The pattern number one is noun plus noun. And the pattern number two is gerund plus noun. And the pattern number three is noun plus of plus noun. And the pattern number four is determiner plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. And determiner number five, yes, present participle plus noun. And the last determining the pattern number 6 is past participle plus noun. Okay, let's check one by one. The pattern number 1 is noun plus noun. The phrase that's formed of two nouns combined. The phrase that formed from two nouns combined, noun plus noun. For example, raincoat, raincoat. Raincoat, rain is the noun and coat is a noun too. Raincoat, combining together. And example number 2, car key. The car key. Car is noun and key is noun, combining into two, and it called noun phrase, car key. The next, cat food. Cat food. Cat is noun and food is noun, combining become one, cat food, become noun phrase. The next, bottle ink. Bottle ink. Bottle, noun, ink is noun. And the next, pizza box. Pizza box. Pizza is noun, box is noun. Okay, you name it. What? Truck engine. Yeah, truck is noun, engine is noun, truck engine. And iron door. Iron door. Iron is noun and door is noun too. Okay, that is the pattern number 1, noun plus noun. And the pattern number 2 is gerund plus noun. What is gerund? Gerund is a noun that coming from verb adding by ing. Sorry. So gerund plus noun become a noun phrase. Okay, for example, gerund plus noun. Smoking area. Smoking area. Smoking is a gerund, area is noun. Smoking area. Parking lots. Yeah, parking lots. Parking is gerund, lots is a noun. Parking lot. Filling point. You name it. printing area, printing data, fitting room, yeah, boarding pass. Boarding is a gerund, pass is a noun, boarding pass. Cooking class, yeah, cooking class. And starting point, starting is a gerund and point is a noun, starting point. Okay, that is gerund plus noun. Now let's take a look again at the pattern number 3. Noun plus of plus noun. Noun plus of plus noun. Noun and noun is a flanked off. Become a noun phrase. Noun of noun. Okay. For example, date of birth. Date of birth. Date is a noun of birth. Birth is a noun too. Noun plus noun become flanked off date of birth. And the next, place of origin. The next, wings of bird. Wings is a noun, of bird is noun. Wings of bird. Glass of milk. Glass of milk. Okay, you name it. Table of content. Oh, table of content. Yeah. And beam of light. Yeah, beam of light. City of angels. Board of director. Board of director. Okay, board is noun, of director is noun. Noun flinked off, become noun phrase. Okay, the next pattern is determine plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. Once again, determiner plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. Determiners such as a, the, some, one of, there was determiner. Okay, yeah. Now let's take a look at the example of determiner plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. Become noun phrase. For example, a young talented musician. A young talented musician. Okay, young, is a determiner, young is adverb, talented is adjective, and musician is a noun. So become noun phrase. A young talented musician. The next example is a nice black car. A nice black car. A determiner, nice is adverb. Black is adjective and car is noun. A nice black car. So become noun phrase. And the next, the optional hard test. The optional hard test. The is a determiner. Optional is an adverb. Hard is adjective as an adjective, and test is a noun. Okay, become noun phrase. The next, some delicious hot food. Some delicious hot food. Some, according grammatically or expert of grammatically, some is also called determiner. Some delicious hot food. Delicious is an adverb. Hot is an adjective, and food is a noun. So become noun phrase. Some delicious hot food. The next example, a rudely horror movie. A rudely horror movie. A determiner. Rudely an adverb. Horror is adjective, an adjective, and movie is noun. A rudely horror movie. Okay, let's take a look at the next pattern of noun phrase. Present participle plus noun. Present participle plus noun. What is present participle? Present participle is a verb adding by ing. A verb adding by ing. Okay, there was a present participle. So present participle plus noun become noun phrase. For example, okay, rising star. Rising star. Rise is verb plus ing became present participle plus star. Star is noun. Rising star. The next, swimming pool. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. The next, cutting board. Cutting board. Cutting is a present participle. Board is a noun. Cutting board. Glittering eyes. Glittering eyes. The next, you name it. Playing football. Playing is a present participle and football is a noun. Playing football. Floating mass. Floating mass. Just the same explaining. Floating is a present participle and mass is a noun. Floating mass. Growing child. Growing child. Growing is present participle and child is noun. Become noun phrase. Okay, the next pattern is past participle plus noun. Past participle plus noun. Past participle is just the verb in the form of the third stage. For example, see the first verb number 1, verb 1, verb 2 is saw, and verb 3 is seen. The third verb, okay, past participle plus noun become noun phrase. So let's check the example below. Hidden paragraph. Hidden paragraph. Hidden become past participle. Why? Because hidden is coming from hide. Hide in the past participle is hidden. Hidden paragraph. Paragraph is noun. Hidden paragraph become past participle. The next, broken chair. You know, broken chair. Broken just coming from broke and chair is noun. Broken chair. You know, past participle is just simple. The next, you name it. What is that? Smoked beef. Smoked beef. The beef that smoked under the fire. Smoked beef. Smoked is just past participle and beef is noun. Smoked beef. Okay, let's see. Written text. Written text. Written is past participle and text is noun. Written text. Colored pencil. You know, colored pencil is just the word that is so familiar in our world, in our the children's utensil to go to school. Yeah, colored pencil. Colored pencil. Colored is just past participle and pencil is noun. Colored pencil. The next, fixed bike. Fixed bike. Fixed is past participle and bike is a noun. Used car. Used is past participle and car is noun. Used car. Okay, students, I hope you can understand about noun phrase. That was the explanation of noun phrase, and maybe this video can help you to determine what is noun phrase. Okay, if you like this video, you can subscribe, like and share so that I can make another learning material so we can getting high score in English. Okay, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.